Sera Ella Waterfall. Hello everyone. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey to one of Sri Lanka's most unique and captivating waterfalls, Sera Ella. You'll find this hidden gem, nestled in the beautiful Matale district. What makes Sera Ella truly special is how its waters flow. Unlike most waterfalls, Sera Ella cascades down through a natural rock cave. It's an absolutely fascinating sight, a true marvel of nature's design. You can even walk into the cave behind the falls to experience its magic up close. The journey to Sera Ella is just as beautiful as the destination itself. As you travel through the Knuckles mountain range, you're surrounded by lush greenery and breathtaking landscapes. The air is cool and fresh, making it a perfect escape from the city heat. Once you're there, the roar of the water and the misty spray create a truly immersive experience. It's an ideal spot for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone looking for a peaceful yet awe-inspiring adventure. Whether you're capturing its grandeur with your camera or simply enjoying the tranquility, Sera Ella leaves a lasting impression. If you're planning a trip to Sri Lanka, especially to the Central Highlands, make sure Sera Ella is on your list. It's not just a waterfall, it's a testament to nature's artistry. Once you're there, the roar of the water and the misty spray create a truly immersive experience. It's an ideal spot for nature lovers, photographers, and anyone looking for a What do you think of Sera Ella? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, TDUDRONESCAPE, for more amazing travel videos from Sri Lanka. See you in the next adventure.